That was relaxing. And yeah, that was AI, and the best lo-fi song ever. Wait, what? Hey there, and how are you doing? You probably know this Lo-Fi Girl channel on YouTube. They make a whole bunch of money with it, no doubt. What if I told you we are going to create something like that too, and within a few minutes, and with AI? Well, let's go! First, we head over to ChatGPT and ask, give me a prompt for an AI music generator to create the best lo-fi track ever. Now copy the prompt and click the link in the description to go to the Music Creator AI. Now paste the prompt and press Create Music Now. And now press here on Generate Music. We will get two different versions of the same prompt and can already listen to it after like 30 seconds. Let's have a listen. Just amazing. Now this one. Wow, also great. Now download the one you like most and then go back to ChatGPT and ask, please give me an image prompt that would accompany this track. Maybe take inspiration from the Lo-Fi Girl channel on YouTube. Copy the prompt and go to Higgsfield or any other AI program that can generate images. We go to Image and then to Create Image. We add the prompt here, and as for the model, I have Nano Banana Pro selected. It is truly amazing. Now, generate it. This looks perfect. Let's take it up a notch and press Animate. For the prompt I will write, reading a book, studying, it rains outside. And for the model I have the Kling 2.6 selected. Now generate it. After like 2-3 minutes the result will be there. Here it is.
Just a few more pages to go. I need to ace this exam.
Oh, haha! This is not quite what we want. So let's choose another prompt that doesn't generate audio also. Let's pick the Kling 2.5 Turbo. Okay, and to be safe, we will also add this to the prompt. Still camera not moving. Now generate it. And yes, guys, I will say it. To make the video loop, as you will see later, it is better not to have rain in the animation. Haha lol. But never mind, who cares though? Here is the result. just amazing. Now open new project in the video editing software of your choice and add the audio and the video. Now I will duplicate the AI video and reverse it. Now let's copy and paste these clips a few times to cover the entire song. Export it and you are done. And that's it. Bye, bye, bye.